In this world, every organism depends on the other for its survival. If any organism is affected, automatically the impact will be on the other. Now let us prove how plants and animals depend on each other with small experiment. Here I have taken 2 small potted plants, 2 glass boxes and 2 rats. Okay, now take a potted plant and invert a glass box over it carefully. Now invert another glass box over the animal like this. We will place both of these setups in sunlight. Wait for 4 to 5 hours. Now we can observe the leaves of the plant are withered and the animal in the jar is dead.
Bob, why it happened like this?
Okay Joe, let me explain actually what happened here. Every plant needs carbon dioxide to survive. Here carbon dioxide is not available for plant, so plant withered. Similarly, every animal needs oxygen to live. Here oxygen is not available for rat, so the rat is dead.
How can you prove that?
I have another experiment to prove it. Let us place both plant and animal under the single glass box and wait for 4 to 5 hours.
Hey, see my friend? Came to play with me.
Wait. Let me see this cute rat.
Dear, don't disturb the rat.
Okay. I'll see the rat from the top.
What do you observe now?
Hey, both the plant and animal are alive. Wow, Bob, what would be the reason?
Okay, I'll tell you. In the second part of the experiment, the carbon dioxide released by animal is used by plant and the oxygen released by plant is used by animal. That is why both are alive. Now you understand, plants and animals depend on each other for oxygen and carbon dioxide.
Super, Bob, I got it now.